Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will show you how to add 0 before this number. So instead of typing like this, you can use one Excel formula to add 0 quickly before this number. So type here is equal to 0, select this number and press enter. Select this number and drag it down. Now you can see 0 has been added before to this number. So in Excel you can add 0 quickly before any number using this formula. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.